retirement. What does retirement mean? When you say retirement, you quit your job na. Wala nang trabaho sa school. But our mission, being a teacher, is still there. We still educate people, not only the children, but anybody. So, never forget to pray always. And then T, touch the heart of others. In each day, we have to touch the heart of others. Kailangan may nagawa ka para sa iyong kapwa. Sabi ko nga kanina, reflect. Ano kayang nagawa ko? Lumataya ka na nga sa pakalaglag ipandak niya. At ayan, naranig ko na nasya at ipandak na tao. Okay, so you always touch the heart of others. My dear brothers and sisters, ano yung tinitingnan nyo? My dear brothers and sisters, when you retire, you realize that you have more time to talk to God. You have more time